Honda has again introduced a middle-class big bike at a very affordable price. This motorbike has a new design with various new features that pamper the rider. Using a 471cc capacity engine, the motorbike's performance deserves a thumbs up. The 2024 Honda CB500 Hornet itself is here as a replacement for the Honda CB500F, which has been on the market for a long time. The concept of the Honda CB500 Hornet can be said to be exactly the same as the CB500F. This can be seen from the design, frame, and engine used. Although in terms of appearance there are several detailed differences compared to its predecessor. In terms of appearance or design, the 2024 Honda CB500 Hornet still has a strong Honda CB500F aura. However, this motorbike has several differences, especially in the headlamp, aka the main lamp, which has a calmer cover. LED main lamp with quite large dimensions complete with LED DRL. In the section at the front, there is also an upside-down Show SFF-BP suspension with a diameter of 41 mm, which adds to the motorbike's stoutness. The shape of the fuel tank still looks minimally different when compared to the Honda CB500F. It still uses a design with quite a lot of curves in the middle. The Honda CB500 Hornet 2024 short tank is also still made minimalist. Meanwhile, at the bottom, you can see the engine with a two-cylinder configuration with sufficient dimensions big. At the rear, it appears that the motorbike still maintains the split seat design, namely separate seats for the rider and pillion at a distance that is too high. The rear body has also been made quite tapered and minimalist. The weight of the 2024 Honda CB500 Hornet is now only 188 kilograms with a reduction at the front for more agile handling. The PGM-FI injection system setting on the 2024 model also improves the feel and torque character without compromising performance. The new feature of the Honda CB500 2024 Hornet is the use of a new 5-inch TFT full digital full-color meter panel. Riders can even connect the motorbike to a smartphone thanks to the Honda RoadSync feature. This box-shaped meter panel can also display turn-by-turn navigation. Honda Motor UK presents 3 color variants at once for the 2024 model, namely Matte Gunpowder Black Metallic, Pearl Himalayas White, and also Grand Prix Red. Meanwhile, the price of the 2024 Honda CB500 Hornet is sold at £6,199 British pounds.